Have you ever wondered who designed these walls so they don't fall down? Have you ever looked at a roller coaster and wondered how it goes so fast without falling off the track? Did you know that someone had to figure out how to make your favorite ice cream flavor? What about the team of people who help make your favorite video game? Engineers make all these things possible, but not all engineers are the same. For instance, the people who engineer ice cream are food engineers and chemical engineers. The teams that design roller coasters have structural, electrical, and mechanical engineers on them. Video games are designed in part by software engineers, electrical engineers, and computer engineers. Our junior chapter of National Society of Black Engineers, or NSBE, has created a Blooket to test your knowledge of different kinds of engineering. We hope this will expand your knowledge of the wide range of engineers in our world. Try it out and let us know what kind of engineer you want to be.